Good evening, Bobbie, and thank you for inquiring about the Genesis G70. As you can see, I've got it right here behind me. Comes with honeycomb grille, wrap-around headlights, nice 18-inch alloy wheels, LED turn signals, blind spot detection, proximity key, panoramic sunroof. Let's take a look inside. As you can see, this one comes with lane keep assist, blind spot detection, heated seats, cool seats, navigation system. It has it all. But let me tell you the best thing about the Genesis. Comes with a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which we exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost to yourself. But the great thing is, Bobbie, we also give you a 3-year, 36,000 mile complimentary valet service. When you need a service on your Genesis, we come to your business or home, clean it, maintain it, leave your Genesis so you're never inconvenienced. Give me a call. My name's Mark, 205 720 6581. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Genesis Hoover.